Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. How are you doing everyone? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. This is a weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 4th of August 2025 and the week ends on Friday 8th of August 2025. Before starting the session, my friends, I want to tell you that I'm pretty much sad. I want to share my sadness with all of you over the recent earthquake in Russia, 8.8 magnitude. So last night I felt around 4.5 right here, but then I was randomly browsing and I suddenly saw that in Russia there was like 8.8 magnitude of an earthquake. So you know, I get sad when I hear something as like this globe we are living in, this globe. So if one part has some trouble, obviously as a human being I become a bit sad. So I hope things get better, and I hope there must be no big casualties because I didn't saw the news after that. Now moving on to the forecast. So my friends, this week forecast. Last time I 5 days I was live, and on Sunday even I was live too. I traded gold US dollar with all of you and focused on the euro US dollar. So this week I have some plans because out there I know most of the traders keep their portfolios diversified. So I'm thinking if I have a strategy, so why not I use it for the sake of a very good cause. And yes, obviously this is a good cause if one can get a good direction of the market by just understanding my strategy. I think this is my success. Okay, so I will not be taking a lot of your time. Okay, I know you guys are very busy, but like even if one is busy, I think still that person should invest some of his daily time in learning in forex. Okay, there are two options. The one is one say no, I just want to gamble, that's why I'm in a rush. I will say okay, move on. You can find some. If you are gambling, then you can find some other stream, some other people. Maybe this is not that right place, because if I tell you this whole strategy, and this whole forex thing, I'm taking it as a business, and everyone should take it as a business. Now in traditional businesses, we do have challenges in the traditional businesses as well, but this market, anyone who, and especially who is inspired by other traders and who want to join the forex market, even this video is also super beneficial for them as well. Why? Because I just don't sell the false hopes. Okay, I don't sell false hopes. Why? Like for example, this is a hope. If I tell you this is, hey, see, this is my level and 100% market is going to drop from here. If I say it is dropping 100%, it means I'm giving you a false hope, because no one knows 100% exactly about this market. This is a very deadly thing. So yes, those of you who are in a rush and who have gambler mindset, I think my videos are not for them. My videos are for those traders who are taking this as a business. Now let's have a look at the dollar CAD. First of all, what I am going to do, I'm going to do is I want to find out the trend on the monthly time frame. Simple. Is there any rocket science in it? Not at all. If one say I cannot draw this trend line, I will say, man, you just either enroll somewhere in the trading school or try to learn it, because without the trend line you may not be able to succeed in the forex. Because just imagine if a person doesn't know about a trend, huh? How come this possible that that person will make some good moves? So the trend, no rocket science. Now the support, is there any rocket science in it? No, not at all. Similarly, I go to the weekly time frame. What is it right here? On the weekly time frame, I can find another support for myself. But I will say I am a Fibonacci trader. So I should drag and drop my Fibonacci from bottom to the top and find my Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. When I do, I find out that I have this level. See, it became more easy. Then go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, things start to get easy. First, have a look at this. Nicely played. Very nicely one. Nice. And if I make it as this, it can become my recent support. So in this situation, we also have this Fibonacci as well. There is one Fibonacci I want to draw your attention to. Or even if not Fibonacci, just have a look at it. This. Now let me do the Fibonacci thing. Yes, now the Fibonacci says this is a 61.8. So now it suggests me this ABCD as this. Where is it pointing to? It is pointing to this level. Then I switch to the H4 and there is my trade opportunity. Have a look at it, this level and this level. So market dropped from here. Now we can easily say that as far as this market is trading below 1.388 and between 1.3859 and 1.3888, as far as this market is trading below, in the upcoming week we are looking it as to the downside of the market. Okay, and once during the week if it doesn't reverses from here, then this will be the situation. Okay, breakout, retest, and then continuation. But for now we have to see that. Now saying it that this is going to happen or this is going to happen, one can easily look at it on the H4 and keep following it. On the H4, have a look at it during the upcoming week. It should trade below these 1.3888 level and 1.3860 level. Psychological numbers they are. So the lucky ones can easily get sell trades to the downside of the market. Now immediate take profit one level will be right here. Okay, take profit one level will be at this particular zone. And here comes my final opinion about this market. See, this trade can be separately taken, 175 pips, because even we cannot enter right here right now, already missed. So obviously if a double top forms up there, this is again going to 0.172 pips at take profit 1. Then I personally will like to treat separately this zone as this. This will become another trade opportunity between the zones. Okay, I want to make it easy for you because this will be a separate trade in the week. This is the current one going on, that is pointing towards 1.3695 approximately. On upon double top confirmation, we can look for potential sells. and I think this is it. I will show up right here in the video and I will take it further, what it gives us further. Okay, so see, this much simple it is. Between two levels the market moves. Then move to the this is the dollar CAD. So where is the euro US dollar yen, I think. Okay, so let's see the pound dollar. Let's delete everything. Last week what I said about the pound dollar was this level. Okay, so let's have a look at it on the monthly a little bit. If I have enough data, great. Great. Well, yes, it re-entered into this level on a monthly time frame, and as expected this is now trading in between these zones. Move to the daily. This is the situation. Well, it suggests move up back to 1.34. So this will be separately treated. This particular trade, it will be treated separately. Okay, and this one will be treated very separately. So let's see, who knows, it can form a consolidation between this zone as well, or it can give us a breakout. So this is the situation I will be looking for. Or obviously the odd thing can be buys. I will be looking above this level. This level is then a separate level. So I think pound dollar is also very simple, okay, to trade. Just observe it on the lower time frames and you will get to the levels. In between this is no man's land. Okay, so yes, this is pound dollar. Dollar yen, last time what I said, there was a good Fibonacci number right here. You see, we have got this Fibonacci as well. Retest, and now I think this market seems to be either bouncing off from here, bounce back. Because there is this ABCD as well, and this was that pullback and 61.8 I discussed with all of you a few weeks ago. So for now this is showing this drop back to 132, but I say okay, we are a bit patient trader, so I look for further buying, maybe buying opportunities right here. But no doubt this market is in a clear sell towards first target as this. Last week the week before that I already have told you. Or we can see this retest and then a continuation. This one will be separately treated and this will be treated separately, while below this I want to give this whole market to this whole move to the market. This one trading it will be very hard. Okay, so yes, it can then also be as this. breakout of this, retest, and obviously this will be the continuation. So it will be traded separately. Okay, so this is the pound yen. Let's see, 144.340, and obviously these levels can give some good profits to the day traders as well. Pound is done, dollar yen is done, dollar CAD is also done. If I get comments, I can explain these other ones as well. And there is the euro dollar. In the last weekly forecast, what I said, below 1.17 it is a sell. For reference, you can check my previous video, and this was that move. This was that weekly move we have got, this one. So as it moved up, and right now I am on the H4 time frame. On the daily, no doubt it will be showing us bullish, but for now my plan can be in the upcoming week obviously is to either get a break above this 1.15 again. See, like when market closes below 1.15, then it become obviously my resistance, and similarly 1.13 I told it in my last video last week. What I said market is going to drop. It did. So yes, I think this is still in a sell zone, but I don't suggest any sell at the moment. This market at 1.14, one can look for buy opportunity, and sell opportunity we see right here near 1.16. okay, 1.16 or somewhere at the Fibonacci of these traders. We can find out some good potential for sell. That will be right here, 1.16 as a sell, 1.16 as a seller. So let's delete this one. This is complete, so let's delete this one. Let's delete this one. Below this I was nothing, above this I was bullish. So these are my euro US dollar levels. I hope you will be looking at them. And then the gold dollar, 3381.16 and 3375.82 are my resistance for now. Above it I'm looking for buy, below it I'm looking for sell. And one of my good other level will be this 3308. So maybe if I get a sharp drop move from the exact point, this level can act as my nice bullish opportunity. And further in the week I discussed it so much, so I don't want to go into the details of that. This trade opportunity, those who get it during the week, congratulations for all of you. See this one, my friends, these are just playing in levels. Okay, this 3270 was a weekly level and it played out nicely. So who can trade actually these levels? Only the patience trader can trade, right? And BTC, let's see. Okay, BTC gave like from here, no doubt from here, this buy, see, till here it worked, but obviously it dropped. So BTC seems to be more dropping in the upcoming few months. Okay, so yes, there was this drop. If you remember 2 weeks ago I said it to take it from here, market was right here. Okay, so it go up, this sell triggered, and those who took it, congratulations to all of you. I didn't personally took it, but more sells yet to come in the longer run, right? So Make sure guys to give me your feedback in the comment section down below. These days I get very fewer messages from all of you, so please, okay, I do need messages from all of you. Take care and goodbye.